Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to study Maths Class 12. Start by listing your syllabus topics and rank them by exam weight and difficulty, then plan weekly blocks for learning, practice, and review. Focus on understanding core concepts before jumping to advanced problems. Use short, timed study sessions and active recall to strengthen memory. Regularly revisit weak areas and track progress to adjust your plan for steady improvement. Begin each study block with a quick recap of prior material, then tackle new concepts with worked examples and immediate practice problems. Alternate problem types and vary difficulty to build flexibility, and use timed past paper sessions to simulate exam pressure. Keep a formula book for fast review and test yourself aloud to cement understanding. Balance theory reading with problem solving to turn passive knowledge into applied skill and confidence. When you approach a problem, read it fully and identify knowns and unknowns before planning a method, then solve step by step and label each part clearly. Start with simpler problems to warm up, gradually increasing difficulty to build confidence and adaptability. After correcting mistakes, write a short note about the error type and redo similar questions until you can solve them without help. This repetition turns mistakes into lasting learning.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.